In a quick scrolling world, your content needs to pop. An easy way to catch eyes with every single video you make is to incorporate depth. Howdy folks, and welcome to 3 Things Thursday, the weekly newsletter where we talk about 3 things that'll help you grow your inspection company, but in like a fun way. Today, we're talking about the 3 steps to creating depth in your videos.
Quick 3-mile run.
Step number 1, physically remove your subject from the background. If someone's back is against the wall, it better be the cameraman. Make sure your subject has at least 10 feet between them and whatever's behind them. Step number 2, include a foreground. This could be their feet kicked up on a table, or it could be a little bit of furniture obstructing the camera. Just make sure it's not distracting. And step number 3, incorporate leading lines. These are the lines of the architecture or whatever is behind them. The direction they're pointing should be going straight to your subject. For instance, you can take this shot as an example. Where the floor meets the wall is pointing straight to my head. That is a super easy way to draw viewers' attention right to where you want it. This most definitely requires a bit more thought for each shot, but it doesn't cost a damn penny, and it's gonna boost engagement left and right. And if that kind of stuff excites you, then why are you not already a Goodbull member? Goodbull literally exists just to help you grow your inspection company without requiring gobs and gobs of cash being thrown at it. So if that sounds appealing to you, then mosey on over to the website. Sign up today. But even before you do that, we want to make sure that you have an excellent rest of your week.